Hello, here I am. I've made it to my hotel room at the Denali Park Village. We're up on the second floor here. Here is my room. And of course, as you come in, like most places, the bathroom is over here to the right. We've got a few little kind of bath amenities here. And there's something you don't always see, but big glass door shower. So no stepping into the tub to take a shower in here. That's really nice. I enjoy that. Oh, I got a hairdryer mounted on the wall. And we come through. We got a really cute little bench here to sit on. Another additional sink with a mirror. This room is equipped with 2 queen beds. Some pretty pictures on the wall. Over here we've got our clock radio, alarm clock setting, and looks like some white noise sounds choices in the telephone. The light switches are right here by the bed, which comes in very handy. Not seeing any USB ports. Got a cabinet, a dresser, a TV. Cabinet is your closet with an ironing board inside and an iron. And then over here we have your little coffee station with some coffee and tea. Right. And a lovely balcony out here. Nice little quiet place to sit and listen to the river go by. And it's a nice view, as you can see. And maybe you can hear that river flowing. This is still very early in the month of May. And so you can see there's still a lot of snow out there in Denali. A lot of the rivers have not yet melted all the way, so we still have a lot of ice, and it actually had some snow flurries when we came in this morning or this afternoon. So looking forward to my stay here. Wish you all a great time.